schedule a meeting.
To hold a meeting. To run a meeting. To lead a meeting. To postpone a meeting.
Has everyone received the agenda? I've called this meeting to.
We need to discuss 4 topics.
I suggest I start with. I speak on behalf of. I'd like to hand over to.
The purpose of this meeting is to. Our common objective is to. Let's get down to business. Let's go around the table.
This is an overview of.
We will move on to the next point. We will deal with the questions at the end. All those in favor raise your hands. Let me put this another way. To make a proposal. To have something to add. To make a motion.
Who would like to speak first?
Are there any comments? While we are on the subject, I'd like to say.
What do you mean? Would you like to clarify this point? Could we stick to the item?
Shall we leave that item? Let's go back on track.
In a nutshell, you're saying that. Can we come to a decision before we close the meeting? We're running out of time. I declare the meeting closed.
We've covered everything. Minutes of the meeting.
Closing remarks.
To sum up. To go over. To adjourn. To wrap up. That's everything on the agenda.
Have a good day.